in clase de español. ¿Cómo están? I hope everyone is doing well. So in last part we learned conjunction, and in this part we are going to learn some other common conjunction in Spanish. Okay, let's start. Como. Como means as or since. Como. So we can use it as since, then give a reason. Give a reason, it's always the first word in the sentence. So we cannot use porque to start a sentence. You should use como instead. Okay, como es domingo, puedes quedarte en la cama. Como means as it's Sunday, you can stay in bed. Okay, como estaba nevando, decidimos quedarnos en casa. Since it was snowing, we decided to stay home. So we can use como as a conjunction. Cuando means when. Cuando followed by the indicative mode, when followed by an action that has happened or happens in general, and the subjective. So when the action hasn't been completed yet, so we use cuando. Cuando entre estaba yendo, she was reading when I came in. She was reading when I came in. Nos encontraremos en el parque cuando salgas de la reunión. We'll meet at the park when you leave the meeting. So we use cuando, when. Te llamaré cuando llegue. I'll call you when I arrive. Pues, then, well. Tengo sueño, pues vete a la cama. Tengo sueño, I'm tired, then go to bed. Pues, when you want to emphasize the word or phrase or sentence, so then you can use pues, like then I go to bed. Okay, pues como te iba contando. Well, as I was saying. Pues. So pues used to express cause, motive or reason. It can also show sequential value or a question, or to emphasize the phrase. Okay, hemos decidido vender la casa, pues queremos mudarnos a Polonia. So we decided to sell the house because we want to move to Poland. So we use pues. Okay. Mientras, while. Mientras, referring to time. So we use to express that two actions are done at the same time in this case. So we use the indicative form of the verb even if the action hasn't happened yet. So we use mientras, like llave tú mientras yo seco, yo wash while I dry, or estudie para el examen mientras él cocinaba la cena. I study for the exam while he cooked dinner. Mientras que, whereas. Isabel es muy dinámica, mientras que Ana es más tranquila. Isabel es muy dinámica, mientras que Ana es más tranquila. So mientras means whereas. Isabel is very dynamic, whereas Ana is more laid back. So here is a comparison of whereas. Okay. Aunque, although, even though. Aunque. So it's very common used to express contradiction or something that goes against the expectation. Like iré aunque llueva. I will go even though it rains. Aunque hace frío, vamos a pasear al parque. Even though it's rain, we are going for a walk in the park. Ni. ¿Para qué? So that. ¿Para qué? So that. Estudio mucho para que puedo aprobar. I study a lot so that I can pass. ¿Para qué? So that. So that I can do that. So that. Okay. Estudio mucho. I study a lot so that I can pass. ¿Dónde? Where. ¿Dónde means where. Ve donde quieras. Go wherever you want. Go wherever you want. Vende. Sorry, donde. Ve donde quieras. Donde means where. Ya que means since. Ya que. Since. Ya que estás aquí, quédate a cenar. Since you are here, stay for dinner. Since you are here, stay for dinner. So ya que, we use ya que. Como. Como. Hazlo como te dije. Do it as I told you. Ni. Ni, neither or no. Ni, neither or no. So ni used to express negation, negative word hai, or to join two or more. Okay, so we use ni. Like no me gusta el café, ni el té. I don't like coffee, no tea. Correlative conjunction. So what is correlative conjunction? In Spanish are pair of words that join word or phrase of equal weight. Okay, like o. Either o vienes conmigo o te quedas en casa. Either you come with me or you stay home. So we use o. Like o. First, vienes conmigo o te quedas en casa. Ni, neither, no. So negative element in a sentence can be used alone or in pair to add more emphasis. Okay, we use to ni to add more emphasis, like ni, el niño. Fuimos a la fiesta. Neither he nor I went to the party. Or you can say no me gusta la carne ni el pescado. I don't like meat or fish. Tanto como, both and. Tanto como, both and. Like me gusta tanto el fútbol como el baloncesto. I like both football and basketball. So here we learn our conjunction and complete our conjunction lesson. I hope you understand and like what is conjunction. So this is the basic thing we should know in Spanish, conjunction. Okay, I hope you understand, and if you like the video,